I'm Ariba, and I'm in the Bachelor of Technology co-op program at McMaster. Coming into my first year, I didn't have any experience connecting with industry professionals. Leveraging the center's services, I had the opportunity to learn the skills that the industry is looking for. At the center, I did resume and cover letter reviews, interview preparation and practice appointments, and I attended their networking and resume workshops. They had excellent practical advice about being prepared and being confident. They had a slideshow with all their advice. The presenters were very friendly, and it was actually very interactive as well. My advice to first-year students would be to connect with the center as early as possible. This way you can learn to network a year in advance. You can work on your resume and cover letters and get excellent advice on the application process. The center made me feel confident and empowered to go into a work term.